What's up, guys? Ronan here. And as you all know, America has been infected with a virus of deadly proportions. And I don't say that jokingly. I actually mean people are dying from this. As far as I know, they do not have a cure for it. The scientists and doctors are working on something to remedy it, at least subdue it until they can get a grasp on how to destroy it, if that's even possible. But a lot of people are panicking because of misinformation, and rightfully so, because the mainstream media is not telling us the full story. They're stringing us along. They're giving us bits and pieces here and there. I've been to a couple of stores, and it's like one person in one spot, the next person is 10 feet away. You know, you got a store full of people, but everybody's all spread out. Where usually when you go to the store, there's three or four people like 5 feet away from each other, and everybody's trying to get to where they got to go to get to the shelf to get the merchandise. So now everybody's like backing off and they're waiting until you move out the way, and then they go approach the shelf because they don't want what you got. But for all we know, for all anybody knows, the person next to you could have the thing that you don't want trying to get. It's just a mess, y'all. Um, all I can tell you from what I've been told is to stay calm and clean. You don't have to be a cleaning fanatic, just your everyday cleaning. Make sure you disinfect all countertops, kitchen tables, dining room tables, any hard surfaces. I would tell you like this. Any place where dust can go, this germ can go. So that pretty much covers every hard surface. You know how you don't clean your house for a while, you get the dust bunnies up on the top of the cabinets, and that one table way in the back somewhere that you don't use. Yeah, that one too. So any hard surfaces, countertops, tables, chairs, make sure you clean them all on a daily. Now that brings me to my next point. Since this virus is piggybacking off of humans and is transferable, make sure that you disinfect your car, or at least clean the hardwood surfaces or the leather. Now, like me, I've got some Armor All, what is this, multi-purpose cleaner. I'd rather have some Lysol wipes, but seeing how by the time I got to the store, there were no disinfectant wipes. So I'd rather use this than to use nothing at all. If you have something stronger that won't mess up the finish, then go ahead and use that as well. But yeah, make sure that you clean the surfaces inside your vehicle, because this germ is literally following you wherever you go. So whoever you come in contact with, it's gonna It's going to leach onto them. And it's going to leach onto whatever hard surfaces is around you. So just stay calm. Keep everything clean. Remember to make sure you wash your hands. If you cough, wash your hands. If you sneeze, wash your hands. I know a lot of people's trips got canceled, and rightfully so. This is a serious matter. And also, people with weak immune systems. Now, off the top of my head, when they said that, I'm thinking the elderly and small children. So you got to make sure that those people are safe. Small children and the elderly. Try to have as little contact as you can with the elderly. I know you love grandma and grandpa, but their life literally depends on you having as little contact with them as possible. And small children, you're gonna have to watch what they put in their mouth. Make sure their hands are clean, because you know how kids are, especially toddlers. They like to pick up stuff and then put their hands in their mouth. So please pay attention to what the little monsters are doing. Nobody wants to go to a kid's funeral. I've been through that once, and it's not a pleasant experience. It's bad enough when older people die. So no, I would advise against that. So just make sure you keep everything clean and sanitized to the best of your ability. And hopefully we all can get through this. I can't speak for the other countries. I don't know what they're doing. But right here in the U.S., we've been known to get through rough times. You know, if you think back to all the tragic things that have happened in the United States, somehow or another, we've always pulled through. You know, bombs, Pearl Harbor, 9/11, all kinds of viral infections, mumps, measles, polio, and yet we've come through it. That's not to say we didn't lose some people. Anytime, any military person can tell you, when you're fighting a war, there's no guarantee that everybody that leaves out is coming back home. But as a nation, as a group, we come through. This is no different. It's going to test us, it's challenging us, but I believe we're going to make it. So I just wanted to put that out there and let you guys know that I have you in my thoughts, my prayers, and I hope everybody stays safe. I'll talk to you later.